Hey guys, it's Christina Daves, and I've got today's Get Famous Friday PR tip. Today I want to talk about Facebook Live. Don't cringe. I know people are like, oh, Christina, I can't do it. You know, Facebook changed their algorithms and they almost want to become like a media source. So basically, you have the opportunity to become a television show or a television channel, and that's through Facebook Live. And if you're willing to do the Facebook Lives, Facebook is going to give you a lot of love and they're going to let people see your content more so than your regular posts without having to pay for it. So as hard as it is, I just want you to please pick up your camera and start using Facebook Live. I've had so many amazing success stories from people who just were adamant about not turning on their cameras, and they did, and they got 7,000 views on a video, which is crazy. They only have 2,000 followers on Facebook. Grew their business 20%, sold a stale listing. So it really, really works, and it's muscle memory. The more you do it, the more comfortable you'll be. I do these videos all the time now. I started out reading stickies like this across my keyboard. So I encourage you to pick up your phones and start, and if you have to, turn it the other way first. Maybe you'll show something in your community or show something in your office while you're talking. But people want to do business with you. They want to get to know the authentic, real you. So get comfortable with it, turn on your camera, let people get to know you, and start using Facebook Live. And I also want to invite you to my PR challenge. 10 minutes a day is all it takes for 10 days, and you will have amazing success getting your name out there, getting more visibility, getting more exposure, which is exactly what Facebook Live can do too. So I encourage you to join yourprchallenge.com, and I will see you next Friday for more Get Famous Friday PR tips.